Erik Nelson, Director of Sales for Sortimo North America. Come on, take a tour of my van. Start right here with our folding vise and workbench. Real easy to use. A little pressure downward and it folds up way nicely. Also folds back down. Two-handed. Lock it in place. Excellent place to work outside the vehicle. Sortimo is the only company in the van shelving market that can give you shelves coming out both directions in the same block. I'm very proud of our SR5 system, so I'll take you on a tour of some of its features here and how we lightweight for customers. First of all, Sortimo upfits both the top and the bottom of the shelf. Most of our competitors will only give you boxes on top of the shelf by giving you boxes on both the top and bottom, and the same box fits in both places, as you'll see here. I can reduce the number of shelves in your van, thereby reducing your cost and your weight. So that's one of the Sortimo features here. We incorporate logistical track into the front of most of our shelves. Ample places to tie things down and secure things. And when we are in a situation where we're only using boxes, why do we need a bottom to that shelf, right? So in this case, if we know there's going to be boxes here, another weight reduction strategy is to simply use a box frame. This van also happens to have our workstation and multiple drawer systems at it. We even have boxes that operate like drawers and drawers that operate like boxes. So you can use this as like it's a drawer, or take it with you to a work site and use it in that position as well. Everything clicks and locks together with Sortimo. Everything has a purpose. We only mount to our floor. It's a floating subfloor. We do not drill into the vehicle whatsoever. And that is for both our crash safety and for the EV market. Sortimo has been mounting to our floor for 30 years, so the EV mount is not new to us whatsoever. Another feature with Sortimo is the ultimate in organization. We can inlay your tools into each one of our boxes or drawers the same. This is our Sortimo partition. This one happens just to feature a door in it. Sliding door for cab access, but is a lightweight thermoform partition. And something we're very proud of to announce on this side of the van here is our new folding last mile shelving. This shelf is ultra lightweight, aluminum and composite. Very nice action. This panel here is 100% recycled Sortimo material. And this shelving system is our first to market carbon neutral product. So it is manufactured in our carbon neutral process, our first product through that process. And Sortimo International will be 100% carbon neutral by 2025. So this lightweight, flexible last mile shelving is bespoke to the customer. We can build it in any depth or length that you want, and multiple lip and retention styles. It will incorporate a number of our other features here, like there will be a logistical track there to secure boxes. This happens to be a prototype that we're showing at the show, debuting at the show actually. And you know, we're very proud of it. It also has 420-pound payload capacity. So now we'll fold this back up and we'll check out our products on the outside of the van. So a running change for Sortimo is an introduction of our SR5 system. A is for aluminum. Sortimo is making the running change to move to aircraft grade, aerospace grade aluminum on all of our shelving. We are doing this at no penalty to the shelf's capacity. It is still 220 pounds per shelf and no cost increase to our customers. We just feel it's the right thing to do for the industry, especially when it relates to EVs and considerations for payload. So this is all aluminum. The drawers and the shelves themselves are 100% aerospace grade aluminum. We're very proud of the product, so proud in fact that we are increasing our warranty from 3 years, no questions asked, no mileage factor, to 5 years, no questions asked, no mileage factor. This is a running change that will happen in late 2023. Very proud of this here at Sortimo. Now let me introduce you to our upfit on the Canoe LDV. We are the lightest weight package in the Canoe here at the Work Truck Show. We have a pull-out cargo drawer and a pull-out shelving system. The cargo drawer will pull out 100% of its length, as you can see here. And our shelving system will pull out, and it has a stop in it, so wherever you release, it will stop. No matter how many times you do it, there are no detents in it, it just has a brake on it and will stop wherever you would like it. The object with small vans like this is to keep the driver outside the van when he needs to interface with his tools or products or equipment. The only time the driver or technician should be in the van is when they are driving it. So that's our side slide-out shelving. We have incorporated our drop-down lip into all these shelves. Very lightweight system. Also includes our Pro-Click line of products. These products are wearables. They are designed to snap on your own belt with an adapter and snap back off to accessorize yourself to and from your work site with extra tools and equipment. Now let's head to the back and see what our system looks like there. In the back of the Canoe LDV, we also have two other fully pullable out drawers, a subfloor for tying down loose items and overstock, but also we incorporate the same Sortimo theory on shelving and boxes, where the top and the bottom of the shelf are upfit with boxes, therefore reducing the number of shelves you need to have in a van. Very well organized, very lightweight system here at Sortimo.